Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you how to record in FL Studio 21.1 easy way. First of all, you need to go to option before you start recording. Make sure, then come on audio settings, select your input device, any input device that you're using. I'm using a sound card that is Fast Track C400. If you're using a USB microphone or condenser, you can choose whatever name is gonna pop up here. If it's Dixon or whatever, you're gonna choose. If you're using the one that doesn't take a name, or you just want to use FL Azio, you just place on FL. Yeah, I'm using Fast Track C400. Then I'll place my input device, then cancel here. After that, come here on the mix on the playlist. What you're gonna do here, select you see, as you can see, there is track 1. I already chose, and I'm gonna be recording on track 2. What you're gonna do here, right click, then go to track mode, choose audio track, then assign it to whatever insert you're gonna put here. I'm gonna assign on track 2, which is insert 2. After that, come here, then click here. After you click, it's gonna pop up like that. Then you see here, down here, this is the stereo and this is the mono. I record in mono. What you're gonna do, choose whatever is gonna pop up. My one is analog input 1, because my microphone on the sound card is on the input 1. As you can see, now you can see the waveform over there. What you're gonna do here, make sure to arm this button here. When you disarm, it's white. When you arm it, it's red. As you can see, now you can't see the waveform. When you arm it, 1 2 1 2, as you can see, which means the microphone, it's working. Now what you're gonna do to start recording, go here on the recording button. As you can see, it's white. Make sure to be red so that you can be able to record. As you can see, now it's red. You're good to go now. Now to start record, you have to place the play button. Now as you can see there, what you gotta do here, place play and then start record. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is the best way to record in FL Studio 21.1, Studio 20, or Studio FL Studio 21.1, FL Studio 21.2. Easy way. Yeah, now to stop recording, you can see, listen. 1 2 1 2. This is the best way to record in FL Studio 21.1, Studio 20, or Studio FL Studio 21.1, FL Studio 21.2. Easy way. Yeah, now to stop recording. Yeah, that's how you record. I'm sorry there, I didn't say it nice. Sorry about that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, like and share. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next video.